Hello, Soul fam. So today we're going to learn how to make this bubble lower skirt or balloon lower skirt, as some will call it. So if this is for you, then stay tuned. So here we're going to fold the fabric. I folded into two already, so this is the second time I'm folding it. Then I'll fold it again, making almost 4 layers. So we're going to do this into 4 places if you want to get that fullness. So after folding it like this, I would have another one I fold like this as well, so that I can have 4 round circles. So I'll show you the circles as we go on. So I measured 20 inches length. Now, if you want the length of your skirt, if you want to use just the fabric alone or material alone, you would use, if you want to get like 20 inches of length for your flare or this bubble, then you'd make a length of 40 inches. If you want to get 10, you make 20. But in this situation, I would want it to fold up a little bit, like by 4 inches. So I would have to get 16 inches or thereabout if I remove the circle at the top and the circle at the bottom part. Now this is just so easy. I use my measuring tape all around and got 20 inches. Now at the rim, if you're going to get 4 parts of this, 4 circles, ensure you use 1 inch. So I used 1 inch. If you'd want to get gathers at the top, you could do more. You could go down by 1.5, but 1 inch is just perfect. If you'd want to go down some more, that is up to you. So this is what I used. So I cut it round like this. I'll just use 2 circles to illustrate this, and it won't be as full as the first one you've seen because I just used 2 circles. But if you'd want to get the fullness you desire, use enough fabric. You'd have to get more than 4 yards or 4 yards of fabric to be able to get this, to get the fullness you desire. So I'll cut it around like this, and then at the top I'll cut it around like this. So mine is a little bit bigger because I would want it to have that gathers. I want to show you how I made the gathers with just 2 circles. So here it is after it is opened. So I'm going to just open it up, separate them so that you'd see that they're up to 2. So here is the first circle. So I'll just cut out that rim that is still attached at the edge. So see the 2 circles we have of flareness. And so I'll still put them together to be able to cut them out. I know it's so perfect, but we still have to separate the circles and join them together. So I'll hold it at this edge and place it together, then cut it. So at these 2 rims, I'm going to join them together. The edge I'm just holding now. So I'll pin them up together to join at one side. So you need an opening at the other side, so don't sew all the sides. So here it is after I have sewn it, the 2 sides together. You can see it already has that fullness. So this is where it has been joined. So now we're going to see how I did some gathers at the waist. So if I had more, I'll do more gathers. If I had like 4 parts of this, just imagine the gathers that will be formed. And so here we're going to make these gathers at the bottom part. So here it is after I've made the gathers at the bottom part. There's just going to be a lot of gathers on this. So if you see my short, you'd see how I made the gathers and then dragged it all up to the waist and joined together to make the length. But in this case, the fabric is not long enough, so I'm going to use lining at the bottom part to join, and the lining is going to be a little bit shorter by 4 inches, and raise it up like this. So don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help the channel grow and help many people see this post. If you enjoy what you're seeing and want to see more, please like and subscribe. So I'm using this color. I know it's a different color. I love fun colors underneath. It's not necessarily the same matching colors. So like I said, it's going to be less. Remember, it was 20 inches. We took 1.5 at the top. It means we're left with 18.5 inches. And so if we want to make this length of this lining, that's the height of the lining, we're going to go, let's say -4, which would be 14.5. And so the length of it is going to be very long. I want it to be puffy. I want it to be full and bouncy underneath. So I used I added 60 plus 60 plus 37. That's 120 plus 37. That's 157, and made a lot of gathers. So you see here, I raised it up like this and see the gathers at the top. It means the length was too long, and I can cut that out, or I can leave it to give that thickness. So here is the waistband we made use of. So the waistband, I used the darker color of the pink, and here is it was an inches of 2 inches, 1.5 after I folded it at both sides. So it's just the length of the waist. The waist rim is 32, and that's what I'll use. So you can either start from the back or the front and sew it up. So I left this for thickness. I'd want to get that thickness, so I didn't cut it out. And here is the outcome, guys. Very beautiful. So if you want to get more fullness, you know what to do. And I love this. I love how playful it is and a ballerina look it's going to give. So don't forget to like and subscribe, follow, comment, and be wonderful. Bye.